আজকে আমরা দেখব কিভাবে ডিসিশন ট্রি তৈরি করা যায় মাইএসকিউএল থেকে এবং পাইথনের সাথে কানেকশন দিয়ে। তো এটা করার জন্য জুপিটার নোটবুক ওপেন নাও। In the meantime, we can do another task. Now I am running my XAMPP server. Well, now it's starting all. Sometimes database is stopped. Wait a moment. Stopped. To solve this, we have to run two command. Now we forcefully stop. And now start database. Still it is MySQL database is stop. Again run. Okay, this is okay. Now what can I do? Localhost phpMyAdmin. Okay, we have a database named bus, and I have a table like money back. So what can we do? We have to remove this table, or drop table and execute this command. Now database bus not contain any table. Now we come back to our connection. main code. So this is the Python several libraries I have imported. Run this, and here you can check your database connection. So now I comment out this type of function. Here we have created some functions. This function create a connection to the database like this, and it uses some parameter like host, localhost, user, root, password, which is I have do not use anything in password. db equal bus. This is the db means the database name. So here is bus. Now we create an object of MySQL server. So this object dot cursor, this cursor give the permission to execute command. This cursor is another type of object which have some function like cursor dot, several types of functions you can use. So here SQL1 equal, you know that how can I create table in MySQL. We have seen something like that, this format, this type of format in database. But in Python you have to include one line without several lines. Instead of several lines, you can use the all table creation code in one line. Now we execute this command SQL. Next we have to insert some data, money back table. So what we know, insert into table name attribute, and some command. We have 6 attribute, and percentage is 6. Now we have used this type of query. Every time one row is included in money back table, so after this command executed, we use commit, which denote that our all execution will be finalized in table. So now we have created some another function which read data from the database. This is a pandas pd dot read SQL underscore table. Our table name is moneyback, and engine which used to connect our database with this Python code. And we have mentioned some types of attribute which will be the money back table columns. And another function, we have used label encoder. Label encoder is used, I think we'll discuss in further next. Now I will run some code, like I can comment out this portion, Ctrl X, and this comment out. Now I have run this command like connect db create table and insert data. After this command will when this command will execute, then the table will created in here. Still bus database not contain any table, so I execute this, but oh sorry, I have not defined or run this function, so I have to run this first, then I have to run this cell. Okay, so here we go. Okay, now we have created money back table and it inserted 18 row. The next task will be, now we comment out this, because if I run this code multiple time, then same data will insert multiple time. So now I can insert here control V and df dot head 3. This function read database table from the database, like connected data and return as df under data frame. So I run again this command. Connect retrieve head. Now I can use print. Okay, you can see this kind of command output, like money back. I can use 10 instead of 3. Okay, here fault, user type gold number, golden normal, cancel time, payment method, and money back. So now if I take this data set to decision tree cannot handle a word, so you have to convert this word into number. Like our main idea is, suppose money back contains two types of word, yes and no. So this word will be replace 0 and 1. Here we have U fault, C fault and no fault, 3 types of word. So this will replace with 0, 1, 2. So here we go. Convert word p, which level I have used here a level encoder. Convert yes. Is it a pandas data frame or not? I don't know. Okay, let's try. Control V, p dot head, sorry, p dot head. Now execute this type of command. So yes, our money back contains yes and no, so it contains either 0 or 1. But here fault contains U types, user fault, company fault, and nobody fault. So 3 types of words, so 0, 1, 2. Now you can comment out this and okay. With training a model with dataset like fault, user type, golden, normal, cancel time, payment method. These types of columns data will be X, and this is our output, so it will be Y. So you can training our data set, training our model. So after execute this function, training using entropy. So this function uses entropy, not Gini index. So after this, it fitted X and Y and return the model. So here is the model, here is our model, and we use test X test and Y test. This will be for our accuracy test. So is prediction X test and our model. So after this function executed, we find our Y output, and here is our Y output, and this output and this prediction output will be compared using cal accuracy function. So first we look prediction function, and next we can take call accuracy. So prediction function, this is our model and X text data. So object model dot predict. So this is our output, and these output values are returned from this function. And after call accuracy, we can calculate confusion matrix and accuracy score and classification report. Okay, and at last we have used visualization tree, show tree. Here we have include features like payment method, cancel time, user type, golden, normal, fault, except money back. Well, this is our model. So after this, here generate a tree, like you can mention what type of tree it is. Okay, there I go. This tree will be picture will be saved here. Control F, tr double tree. I have created several types of tree here. So delete. No tree is appear here with name tree. So TRW tree 1 2 3 4 blah blah blah. So run this, and we can run this command, but we have inserted data with this command, and it will be always comment. You can run this function one time, never several times. So after run this command, you see that confusion matrix predicted values and accuracy. We get accuracy 1 because we uses training data for test. So you can use some unseen data, and our decision tree will be something like that, like F TRW T blah blah blah. So this is our final tree. Okay, that's great. You can use the website like I have used. Maybe this. Am I right or am I right? Yes. You can use this website for further learning. Thank you.